Are you tired of cluttered countertops, overflowing cabinets, and kitchen chaos? What if I told you that just a few small wood projects could completely transform your kitchen for under 20 bucks each? Today we are turning simple scrap wood into stylish, budget-friendly organization magic. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it can also be the easiest place to lose control of space. Drawers get messy, spices pile up, utensils get buried, and suddenly cooking becomes stressful instead of enjoyable. But it does not have to be that way. With a few simple pieces of wood and some creativity, you can bring order, beauty, and calm to your kitchen without spending a lot of money. Today I am sharing 5 wood projects that cost under $20 each. These are beginner-friendly, quick to make, and designed to maximize organization while keeping your kitchen stylish and warm. You can use scrap wood, pallet pieces, thrifted boards, or inexpensive lumber. So let us get started. Project 1. The vertical cutting board rack. Cutting boards take up a surprising amount of space when stacked horizontally. A vertical rack keeps them upright and easy to grab. To make this, you will need 2 narrow side pieces and 1 flat base. Attach them to create a small stand that holds boards standing up. You can glue, nail, or screw it together depending on your tools. Finish with light sanding and a food-safe oil. This project instantly declutters counters and makes meal prep easier. Project 2. Wall-mounted spice shelf. Spices are some of the most frustrating items to store. They scatter everywhere and disappear when you need them most. A small wall shelf solves this elegantly. Measure the width of your spice jars, cut 2 side pieces, 1 back piece and 1 base. Assemble into a simple shallow shelf. Mount near your stove for quick access. You can add labels for even smoother organization. Functional, beautiful, and very budget-friendly. Project 3. Wooden utensil jar caddy. Instead of stuffing utensils into one overly full drawer, separate them into categories using a small wooden caddy. This project requires a rectangular base and dividers installed vertically. You can customize the number of compartments to your needs. Add a handle on top if you want it to be portable. Perfect for cooking, grilling, or entertaining. Project 4. Simple pot lid organizer. Pot lids are notorious for chaos, but a simple wooden rack solves the problem. This is made by attaching evenly spaced wooden slats at an angle to a baseboard. Slide lids in between each section. Even if your pans are stacked, your lids will always stay neat, visible, and easy to reach. Project 5. Floating produce shelf. If fruit and vegetables are piling on your counters, a small wall shelf designed for produce is the perfect fix. Cut 2 side supports and a baseboard. Attach securely to the wall. Add slats underneath for airflow to help produce last longer. This makes your kitchen feel open, fresh, and really well styled. Now let us talk about why these wood projects work so well. Wood brings warmth and texture into the kitchen. It softens hard surfaces like stone and metal, creating balance and comfort. And because wood is natural and neutral, it looks beautiful in every kitchen style, from modern to farmhouse to minimalist. The best part is that these projects are affordable. You do not need premium lumber. You can use recycled wood, leftover cuts, small craft boards, or thrifted wood pieces. With some sanding and oiling, even rough scrap wood transforms into something beautiful. Now let us talk about finishes. To keep your wood looking clean and food safe, use finishes like mineral oil, beeswax, or any food-safe cutting board oil. These finishes protect the wood while maintaining its natural softness. When organizing, remember this key idea. Things you use often should be easy to reach. Items you do not use as much can be stored higher or deeper. The projects we made today support that principle. They help you place your most used tools where they make the most sense. And finally, do not worry about making things perfect. Woodworking is a journey, not a test. Small imperfections add character and charm. What matters is that your kitchen becomes easier, calmer, and more enjoyable to use. If you enjoyed these project ideas and want more budget-friendly home decor and crafting inspiration, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Here at Craft Catalog, we believe your home should be both beautiful and functional, without needing a big budget. More smart, simple craft ideas are on the way. Until next time, keep creating with confidence and joy.